Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are living in Italy and want to know is there any fine or multa registered on your name or not, this can be done easily in quick steps online if you have your national online credentials or not. For example, the SPID ID or the credentials of Carta di Identità. Let's suppose if you have any of these credentials. First of all, we have to open the browsers on our PC, or you can also do this on your mobile as well. For example, we have to type here Daviti Agenzia dell'Entrate. It will open a list of new pages, and we have to select the very first option, Controlla la tua situazione, like control your situation or your case. It will open a new window here. We have to select any of these options. We can select it by here, or for example, we can select access HD area reservata or uh, access to the reserved area. We have to select the cittadini, the citizens option. If here we are again getting the display of the login credentials. I'm going to select the SPID ID and enter con SPID. I'll select the option for my SPID ID and let me log in with my SPID ID. I have to scan the code. If you have the email address and password, you can log in by that way, or you can easily log in with the mobile application. You have to open the application, scan the code, and grant the access. So I have granted the access. It will lead me to the another interface. When this new page will open, we have to select the very first option that is called as Situazione Debitoria, or the debit situation, because there are multiple other options. For this time, we are only working on the debit situation. We have to select this option. It will lead to another page. Here we have to select our province where we are living. We have to select this option, which will represent all the regions in Italy. For example, I'm living in Arezzo. After that, I have to select the option Dasaldare to check if there is any fine registered on my name or your name as well or not. So everyone has to do it by their own IDs. Thank God there is no fine registered on my name. You can also find out any fine registered on your name or not by following the similar procedure. Don't forget to share this video with your foreigner friends. Goodbye. Take care.